Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get the promotions in Tainbit. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and simply search for this link that is tainbit.co.uk. After which we get into interface like this and make sure you are logged into it. After that, on this left top, we can see this promotions option. Simply tap on that and here we'll be able to see various options for the promotions. You can simply click on opt-in to get any of this. Now you get into the bids and simply select it, and we need to select the amount here. Let's click on accept changes and click on place bid, after which the bid will be placed including the promotions as well. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.